we go to example 6. So this is the question. So we will read and highlight the information. So a box, you have a box contain 4 red marbles and 7 white marbles. So you have 4 red and then 7 white. And total inside the box you have 11 marbles. So the probability to get red marbles from the box is 4/11. And the probability to get white marbles from the box is 7/11. Okay, so next, a bag contain, so bag, you have one bag, contain 3 red marbles, 2 white marbles. Okay, so you have 3 red and then 2 white and then another 4 yellow marbles. So total inside the bag you have 9 marbles. So the probability to get red marbles from the bag is 3/9. The probability to get white marbles from the bag is 2/9. And the probability to get yellow marbles from the bag is 4/9. Okay, next you have a fair coin is toss. So you have a coin. The outcome for a coin is either you get a head or a tail. So if a head is obtained, a marble is selected at random from the box. So you have head, so you will be taken a marble from the box. So there. So if a tail is obtained, a marble is selected at random from the bag. So if you get a tail, you will be taken a marble from the bag. So construct a tree diagram for the experiment. So this is what we get when we jot the idea on a piece of paper. So rearrange the diagram that you have initially. So the first row you toss a coin. So either you get a head or a tail to outcome only. So then the respective probability is 1/2. So probability to get a head is 1/2 and the probability to get a tail is also 1/2. So for the second row, if the first row you obtain a head, then you will be taking a marble from the box, where inside the box you have 4 red marbles and 7 white marbles. So this is the respective probability to obtain the red or white marbles. And if the first row you obtain is a tail, so you will be taking a marble from a bag. So the bag contains 3 red, 2 white and 4 yellow marbles. So this is the respective probability to get red, white or yellow marbles from the bag. So the outcome for this experiment is that, so you see, we will have this branch of outcome. So remember, multiply along the branches. So you will have 1/2 multiply with 4/11 to get a value of 2/11, where define event as H obtain head, T obtain tail, R obtain red marbles, W obtain white marble, and Y obtain yellow marble. So for the first branch over here, you have head and red. It means that the outcome will be probability HR, head, red. Okay, so for the second branch, you have there the second branch. So the first row is H, the second row is W, and again along the branches multiply. So you will have 1/2 multiply with 7/11. So you will get 7/22 for the outcome of probability head white, that is HW. For the third branch, you see over there, you have the first row is tail, the second row is red. So again, multiply along the branches. So 1 over 2 multiply with 3 over 9, so you get a value of 1 over 6 for the outcome of probability tell and read, that is TR. And next, for the fourth branch, so multiply along the branches, so you will get 1 over 2 multiply with 2 over 9 to get an outcome of 1 over 9. The probability outcome is 1 over 9. For the outcome of probability tell and white, that is TW. And lastly, for the fifth branch, you have tell for the first row and yellow for the second row. So multiply along the branches is 1 over 2 multiply with 4 over 9 to get the value of 2 over 9 as your probability outcome of tell and yellow, TY. Okay, so this is your tree diagram. So from the tree diagram, so find the probability that a red marble is selected. So probability that a red marble is selected, so that is your probability R. So from here, the probability that you have to refer is on the second row, where this is when you get the red marbles. So that is your probability HR outcome, where the value you get over there is 2 over 11. And other than this, the other probability, the other outcome that you have to consider is over here, okay, because that is also a probability of obtaining a red marble. So the outcome that you will be taking is probability TR. So we add it up because add between the branches, okay. So add with the value of 1 over 6, you will get a sum of 23 over 66 as the probability of obtaining a red marble. So next, this is your tree diagram again. From the tree diagram, find the probability that a yellow marble is selected. So again, we find any outcome that have a yellow marbles. So probability that a yellow marble is selected is probability Y, yellow. So the outcome that have yellow is only over here. That is your probability TY. And the value for that is 2 over 9. Okay, next from the tree diagram again, see given that the marble is white, find the probability that it was originally in the bag. So that is your question. So given, it means that you will be using the symbol given. And then white, it means that that will be after the symbol given. So W. Find the probability that it was originally in the bag, so probability, so that is your P, and originally in the bag refer to tell, obtaining tell for in the first draw, tell, bag, tell, so T. So this is the probability that you need to find. So use conditional probability formula, where the conditional probability formula is probability T intercept W over probability W. So based on our tree diagram, the T intercept W is probability tell white. Okay, where the value from the tree diagram you get over there is 1 over 9. Over probability W, it means that any outcome that have a white marble. So you have here, the first one is probability, the first row is hat and then the second row is white, so HW. And another outcome that you have to consider is probability tell white, okay, probability TW. So from there, the value, so over probability HW is 7 over 22, and then plus with probability TW is 1 over 9. So calculate it, you should get a value of 22 over 85. So that's all for tree diagram.